Postman tutorial for beginners. Hello, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly send raw JSON data to a server using Postman. So if you've ever wondered how apps send data to servers, it usually sends it using the raw JSON data format. So let us quickly do it. But before we continue, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. To send the raw data, all you need to do is to go to New and choose HTTP. It takes us to this screen. This is where we need to be careful as to what we chose. We are going to change GET from GET to POST because we are posting data to the server. We are going to use this link, which is a kind of test API. So that's where we are going to submit our data. Another important thing is to click on body, then raw. Ensure that here that you chose JSON because we are sending the data in JSON format. Now I've got some data here that we could use for a test. If you want, you can change it to something else or to add additional data if you wish. For instance, we could change this to address. Once you are satisfied with the data, ensure that the data is well formatted. All you need to do is to go to send. Once you create it, this is an evidence that the data was correctly sent to the server. As you can see, we've got code 201 here. Here, the data has returned, or rather, the server has returned the data to us to confirm that it was sent. In addition to what we sent, the server has created an ID for us, as you can see. So sending data to the server using Postman is this simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you.